Welcome to a new era in manufacturing science, where emerging technologies are transforming the way products are designed, produced, and delivered. Today we'll explore how innovations like artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things are reshaping factories and production lines around the world. As we journey through this topic, you'll discover how these advancements are not only boosting efficiency, but also enabling smarter, safer, and more sustainable manufacturing processes. Let's begin by understanding the core drivers behind this technological revolution in manufacturing. Industry 4 marks a significant leap in manufacturing, integrating digital technologies into traditional production systems. This new wave is characterized by the fusion of cyber-physical systems, automation, and real-time data exchange. Manufacturers are now able to monitor and control processes with unprecedented precision, thanks to interconnected machines and smart sensors. This digital transformation is not just about upgrading equipment. It's about creating a fully connected, intelligent ecosystem that can adapt and respond to changing demands quickly and efficiently. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling machines to learn from data, make decisions, and even predict future outcomes. In modern factories, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of information from sensors and production lines to optimize operations, reduce downtime, and improve product quality. For example, predictive maintenance powered by AI can identify potential equipment failures before they happen, saving time and resources. This smart approach is helping manufacturers stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Robots have become an integral part of the manufacturing landscape, handling tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision. Today's robots are more flexible and intelligent than ever, capable of working alongside human operators in collaborative environments. These machines can be quickly reprogrammed for different tasks, making production lines more adaptable to changing product demands. As robotics technology continues to advance, we can expect even greater levels of automation and efficiency in factories worldwide. Internet of Things, or IoT, connects machines, devices, and systems across the manufacturing floor, enabling seamless communication and data sharing. With IoT sensors embedded in equipment, manufacturers can monitor performance in real time, track inventory, and even automate supply chain management. This connectivity leads to smarter decision-making and faster responses to issues as they arise. The result is a more agile, responsive, and efficient manufacturing process that can quickly adapt to market changes. Data analytics is transforming manufacturing by turning massive amounts of raw data into actionable insights. By collecting data from machines, sensors, and production systems, manufacturers can identify trends, optimize processes, and predict future outcomes. This data-driven approach helps companies reduce waste, improve quality, and make better business decisions. As big data tools become more sophisticated, their impact on manufacturing efficiency and innovation will only continue to grow. Cloud computing allows manufacturers to store, process, and analyze data remotely, providing greater flexibility and scalability. By moving operations to the cloud, companies can access powerful computing resources without the need for expensive on-site infrastructure. This shift enables real-time collaboration across global teams, faster deployment of new technologies, and improved disaster recovery. Cloud-based solutions are becoming a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, supporting innovation and growth. Additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, is changing the way products are designed and produced. This technology builds objects layer by layer, allowing for complex geometries and rapid prototyping. Manufacturers can now create customized parts on demand, reduce material waste, and shorten development cycles. 3D printing is opening up new possibilities for innovation, from lightweight aerospace components to personalized medical devices. Digital twins are virtual models of physical assets, processes, or systems. By creating a digital replica, manufacturers can simulate, monitor, and optimize operations in real time. This technology enables predictive maintenance, process optimization, and faster troubleshooting. Digital twins help companies visualize the impact of changes before implementing them, reducing risks and improving overall efficiency. As digital twin technology matures, its role in manufacturing will become even more significant. Augmented reality, or AR, is enhancing training and maintenance in manufacturing by overlaying digital information onto the physical world. Workers can use AR glasses or devices to receive step-by-step instructions, visualize complex assemblies, and troubleshoot equipment in real time. This hands-on approach improves learning outcomes, reduces errors, and increases safety on the factory floor. AR is making it easier for employees to adapt to new technologies and processes. Virtual reality, or VR, is revolutionizing product design and prototyping in manufacturing. Designers and engineers can immerse themselves in a virtual environment to visualize products, test functionality, and identify potential issues before production begins. VR reduces the need for physical prototypes, speeds up the design process, and fosters collaboration among teams. This immersive technology is helping manufacturers bring innovative products to market faster and more efficiently. As factories become more connected, cybersecurity is a growing concern. Protecting sensitive data and critical infrastructure from cyber threats is essential for maintaining safe and reliable operations. Manufacturers are investing in advanced security measures, such as encryption, firewalls, and real-time monitoring, to safeguard their digital assets. A robust cybersecurity strategy ensures that the benefits of digital transformation are not undermined by potential risk. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. In manufacturing, machine learning is used for quality control, demand forecasting, and process optimization. By analyzing patterns and anomalies in production data, these algorithms help manufacturers make smarter decisions and continuously enhance their operations. The result is a more agile and efficient manufacturing environment. Smart sensors are the eyes and ears of modern manufacturing systems. These devices collect real-time data on temperature, pressure, vibration, and more, enabling automated responses to changing conditions. Automation powered by smart sensors leads to higher efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved product consistency. As sensor technology advances, manufacturers can expect even greater levels of precision and control on the factory floor. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source, enabling faster decision-making and reducing latency. In manufacturing, this means analyzing data directly on the factory floor, rather than sending it to a distant data center. Edge computing supports real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and rapid response to production issues. This technology is essential for applications that require immediate action and minimal downtime. Blockchain technology is being adopted in manufacturing to enhance supply chain transparency and traceability. By recording transactions in a secure, immutable ledger, manufacturers can track the movement of materials and products from origin to delivery. This increased visibility helps prevent fraud, ensure quality, and build trust with customers. Blockchain is paving the way for more accountable and reliable supply chains. Integration of emerging technologies is not about replacing people, but about enhancing human capabilities. Collaborative robots or cobots work alongside employees, handling repetitive or hazardous tasks while humans focus on more complex activities. This partnership leads to safer workplaces, higher productivity, and greater job satisfaction. Human-machine collaboration is at the heart of the future of manufacturing. Emerging technologies are enabling more sustainable manufacturing practices. From energy-efficient machines to waste reduction systems, manufacturers are leveraging innovation to minimize their environmental impact. Smart sensors monitor resource usage, while AI optimizes production to reduce emissions and conserve materials. Sustainability is becoming a core value in modern manufacturing, driven by both technology and consumer demand. Flexibility is key in today's fast-changing markets. Flexible manufacturing systems use modular equipment and advanced software to quickly adapt to new products or changes in demand. This agility allows manufacturers to respond to customer needs faster and reduce downtime during product transitions. Emerging technologies are making it easier than ever to implement flexible, responsive production lines. Development of advanced materials, such as composites and smart materials, is opening up new possibilities in manufacturing. These materials offer superior strength, durability, and functionality, enabling the creation of lighter, more efficient products. Emerging technologies are making it easier to design, test, and produce these materials at scale, driving innovation across industries from aerospace to consumer electronics. Digital technologies are transforming supply chain management, making it more transparent, efficient, and resilient. Real-time tracking, automated inventory systems, and predictive analytics help manufacturers anticipate disruptions and optimize logistics. By integrating digital tools into supply chain operations, companies can reduce costs, improve delivery times, and better serve their customers. Smart factories represent the pinnacle of technological integration in manufacturing. These facilities use interconnected systems, AI, robotics, and IoT to create highly automated and intelligent production environments. Smart factories can self-optimize, self-adapt, and even self-learn, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. As more manufacturers embrace this model, the future of manufacturing looks brighter than ever. While the benefits of integrating emerging technologies are clear, manufacturers also face significant challenges. These include high initial investment costs, the need for skilled workers, and concerns about data security. Overcoming these obstacles requires careful planning, ongoing training, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By addressing these challenges head-on, manufacturers can unlock the full potential of digital transformation. As technology evolves, so must the workforce. Upskilling and continuous training are essential for employees to keep pace with new tools and processes. Manufacturers are investing in education programs, hands-on workshops, and digital learning platforms to ensure their teams are ready for the future. Empowering workers with new skills not only boosts productivity but also fosters a culture of innovation. Emerging technologies are making manufacturing more resilient to disruptions, such as supply chain interruptions or equipment failures. Real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and automated systems help companies respond quickly to challenges and maintain operations. This resilience is critical in today's unpredictable global environment, ensuring that manufacturers can continue to deliver quality products no matter what obstacles arise. Personalization is becoming a major trend in manufacturing, driven by technologies like 3D printing and advanced data analytics. Manufacturers can now create customized products tailored to individual customer preferences, from personalized sneakers to bespoke medical devices. This shift towards mass customization is opening up new business opportunities and enhancing customer satisfaction. Efficient energy management is a top priority for modern manufacturers. Advanced energy management systems use sensors, AI, and automation to monitor and control energy usage across the factory. These systems help reduce costs, lower emissions, and support sustainability goals. By integrating energy management into their operations, manufacturers can achieve both economic and environmental benefits. Quality assurance is being transformed by emerging technologies. Automated inspection systems, machine vision, and AI-powered analytics ensure that products meet the highest standards. These tools can detect defects, monitor production in real time, and provide instant feedback for process improvements. The result is higher quality products and greater customer satisfaction. Remote monitoring and control systems allow manufacturers to oversee operations from anywhere in the world. Using cloud-based platforms and IoT devices, managers can track production, adjust settings, and respond to issues in real time. This flexibility is especially valuable for global companies with multiple facilities, ensuring consistent quality and performance across all locations. Predictive maintenance uses data analytics and machine learning to anticipate equipment failures before they occur. By monitoring machine health and performance, manufacturers can schedule maintenance at optimal times, reducing unplanned downtime and extending equipment life. This proactive approach saves money and keeps production running smoothly. Digital work instructions are replacing traditional paper manuals on the factory floor. Workers can access step-by-step guides, videos, and real-time updates on tablets or smart devices. This digital approach improves accuracy, reduces errors, and speeds up training for new employees. As manufacturing becomes more complex, digital work instructions are essential for maintaining high standards and efficiency. Automated material handling systems use robotics, conveyors, and smart vehicles to move materials efficiently throughout the factory. These systems reduce manual labor, minimize errors, and speed up production. By automating material flow, manufacturers can optimize space, improve safety, and increase throughput. Digital inventory management systems use IoT sensors, barcodes, and real-time data to track materials and products. These systems provide accurate inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and prevent overstocking. By automating inventory management, manufacturers can streamline operations and reduce costs. Smart maintenance scheduling uses AI and real-time data to plan maintenance activities for maximum efficiency. By analyzing equipment usage and performance, these systems can recommend the best times for repairs or upgrades. This approach minimizes disruptions and ensures that machines are always operating at peak performance. Digital collaboration tools are connecting teams across departments and locations. Platforms for video conferencing, document sharing, and project management enable seamless communication and faster decision-making. These tools are essential for coordinating complex manufacturing projects and driving innovation. Automated quality control systems use cameras, sensors, and AI to inspect products at every stage of production. These systems can detect defects, measure dimensions, and ensure compliance with standards. Automated quality control reduces human error and ensures consistent product quality. Digital twins are not just for equipment, they can also model entire manufacturing processes. By simulating production workflows, manufacturers can test changes, optimize layouts, and identify bottlenecks before making physical adjustments. This proactive approach leads to more efficient and cost-effective operations. Real-time production monitoring systems provide instant visibility into every aspect of the manufacturing process. Managers can track output, identify issues, and make adjustments on the fly. This level of oversight helps maintain high productivity and quickly resolve problems as they arise. Automated reporting and analytics tools gather data from across the factory and generate actionable insights. These reports help managers track performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Automation reduces the time and effort required for reporting, allowing teams to focus on continuous improvement. Mobile devices are becoming essential tools for factory workers and managers. Tablets and smartphones provide instant access to work instructions, performance dashboards, and communication platforms. This mobility increases flexibility, speeds up decision-making, and supports a more connected workforce. Automated order processing systems streamline the flow of orders from customers to production. By integrating with inventory and production systems, these tools ensure that orders are fulfilled quickly and accurately. Automation reduces manual errors and speeds up delivery times, enhancing customer satisfaction. Smart packaging uses sensors, RFID tags, and data analytics to track products throughout the supply chain. These solutions provide real-time information on location, condition, and authenticity, helping manufacturers ensure product quality and prevent counterfeiting. Smart packaging is an important part of the digital transformation in manufacturing. Environmental monitoring systems use sensors and data analytics to track air quality, temperature, humidity, and other factors in the factory. These systems help manufacturers maintain safe working conditions, comply with regulations, and reduce their environmental impact. Technology is making it easier to create healthier, more sustainable workplaces. Integrating customer feedback into manufacturing processes is easier than ever with digital tools. Manufacturers can collect and analyze feedback in real time, using the insights to improve products and processes. This customer-centric approach leads to higher satisfaction and stronger brand loyalty. Integration of emerging technologies into manufacturing science is creating smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable factories. From AI and robotics to IoT and digital twins, these innovations are transforming every aspect of production. As manufacturers continue to embrace digital transformation, they will unlock new opportunities for growth, resilience, and customer satisfaction. The future of manufacturing is bright, driven by technology and the relentless pursuit of excellence.